Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Now I've just been out shopping to my local antique shop and I bought something very interesting. I've been on the search for something like this for quite some time and I've actually found something. So it's pouring down now, it wasn't when I left. So let's go in the cottage and have a closer look, see what I bought. So what I've managed to purchase is this fantastic Gothic panel. Lovely detailing on the bottom, lovely arches at the top. Now if I had two of these panels, my first thought for the location of this would be either side of the fireplace. I've only got one panel, so I'm going to rule that out. It's not actually going to go in the cottage, as much as I'd like to use it in here. Anyway, just out of curiosity, I'm going to put it on the side to see what it would have looked like. Either side there in a frame, but I've only got one, so how much did I pay for that? I paid the princely sum of €20. Yeah, that was a real bargain, wasn't it? Yep, I was more than delighted with that. So where's it going, I hear you ask? Well, it's going outside in the folly. Now I've mentioned it before, it's where the willow structure's made. To the front of it I'm going to build like a little bit of a folly, so it looks like part of the building has fallen down, and we wanted to go with the Gothic theme, so yeah, this was perfect. So I'm going to incorporate that into a wall, build a little bit of a structure around it, nothing too much, and yeah, I think that'll be a very nice area. I'm wondering whether I can incorporate any of these designs and patterns into some of my chopping boards that I make. I have to do a bit of tracing and a little bit of figuring out. I definitely like the top part, that could be a handle. Maybe incorporate that shape into it as well, so very simple lines, but it has to be done right. And yes, everyone guessed, I know you're a canny lot, that was in fact a meat skewer that goes on the spit. So yeah, I think everyone that guessed got that right. Best period, Gothic. Yeah, just fantastic. Not for everyone, but it is for me. That shape wise reminds me of a knight. His helmet and his shoulders there. Sam's outside. Hello.
Hello, I've just got the mail and there's a special delivery from Jeff Crumb.
Lovely. Thank you very much. Right, let's take a look.
Open that, see what's in.
Yeah, be in a sec.
Alright.
And I've got a present for you.
Oh, lovely.
Okay. Now, one of my supporters, Jeff, has sent me this. Careful how I open it, I never know what's in there. What have I done to deserve this, Jeff? Have I been a good boy? Okay. Oh, that's lovely, mate. Yeah. So what we got? Kings of the Hill. You see it? Harrisburg, PA, if I'm reading it right. Thank you very much, Jeff, that's very kind. I shall wear that with pride, certainly not for work. That's lovely. Much appreciated, Jeff and Carson, both very kind. Right, let's put that away, don't want that getting dirty. Let's go and give Sam her present. This time it's from me. Okay, for an exchange for a cup of tea, your present, dear.
Thank you. That's lovely. Look at all those cups of tea on there.
Was
that a hint?
Yeah, a little bit of a hint. But yeah, I thought it was really unusual.
It's lovely. It's all vintage teacups. It's
Yeah.
really nice. I'll have that on my chair by the kitchen stove. It'll be lovely.
Okay, glad you like it. Right, shall I show you what Jeff got me?
Yeah.
There you go, dear.
Thanks.
Cup of tea.
Just a brief stop. I've got plenty to do.
Wow, look what Jeff got me. Jeff, how did you know I was a slim fit?
That looks good.
Yeah, it's really comfortable. Yeah,
Wear that with pride, eh?
definitely, yeah. Thanks, Jeff. Right, let's get changed, let's get back to work. Enjoy your tea. Don't worry about me.
You've got one as well.
No biscuit.
No.
I won't be sitting down for long then.
We're too fat. We don't need biscuits.
Well, it was winter, wasn't it?
Time to start the diet. Cheers, everyone.
Nice cup of tea. Right, that's one. Sam's bought some more plants. Okay. Can't beat a bit of colour, can you? What we got in here? I think she put strawberries in here. Yep, some strawberries. Nice spring colours. Okay, I'm now armed with my templates. Need to find a suitable piece of wood to work with and get making. Let's just cut our designs out. So what I've decided to do, I'll trace the original, and the metalwork isn't symmetrical both sides, so I traced one half like that and then literally folded it over so I've got a mirror image, so now it'll be symmetrical. So I've traced out a couple of designs. Now I've used an old chopping board, see how it comes out. So we've got the trefoil end there and then this shape that side, so in effect I'm going to get two out of this one board. So let's give it a go, see what it comes out like. The timber, the wood is beech, so perfectly suitable obviously for a chopping board. That's that one roughly cut out. Now for the next one. Two very rustic shapes, detail around the edge, and that'll be done. Well, it's certainly not come out how I expected it to, but in a weird sort of way, it kind of works. It kind of looks medieval. It's only by accident, really. You know, the naivety of it sort of thing. Call me naive. Yeah, I think it works. Just sand this recess down, nice new finish. But yeah, it's just something for the cottage kitchen once I make it. You know, sausage song, something like that. Maybe put a little hole in the top, hanging up. But yeah, it's got that kind of look to me. Let me know in the comments. Like I say, I'm only doing this until the Bricko merchant opens after lunch, and I'll pop out and get some more sand and get starting on the next area. But yeah, certainly coming useful. We'll do that one as well, see how that comes out. Who knows? So what started off as geometric shapes kind of come out like they're very naively, roughly hand cut, you know. I know they're not, I've done it by a power tool, but it's kind of come out slightly different. Still in keeping though, they look very rustic. Yeah, like they've been, like I say, hand cut. Now for a sand down. So that is as far as I'm going to go with this for now. I've got plenty of other stuff to do, more important really. Like I say, it's just a bit of an infill until the Bricko, which is the builder's merchants, opens, which it is. So I'll see you when I get back. Just got back from the builder's merchants, got myself some sand and some lime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start work on the other side of the fireplace. Now it's a little bit different to this side. Niche, hasn't got a timber above it, it's got stone there, so I haven't really had too much of a look over that side. Been concentrating on this side, so I've got a little bit here to do. Got to find a stone for the time capsule as well, so it can be lifted in and out. Or do I cement it in? Not quite sure yet. So yeah, we're going to go over the other side of the fireplace this time and take a closer look over there. Follow me. Don't think there's been any major leaks up above on this side. This is absolutely solid, which is a bonus. There's no damage here. We've got a stone lintel here. There is a wooden one behind it. It feels pretty solid. This whole area is much drier than the other side, so yeah, touch wood. I think we're okay this side. Wall looks pretty sound. Again, it is smaller infill stones. You know, can't point this up, that's why I'm going to render it. I'm going to highlight the big stones, the nicer stones, same as I've done the other side to balance it both up. Get a wire brush around this area, have a clean up and see what's going on, and then yeah, we'll work our way around there and get rendering. So we can already see that we're going to keep this one. Show. Just cut that back a little bit. Now it looks like here, some time ago, that may have cracked. There's no movement underneath, so it's been done quite a while ago, and there was some lime in here when they rendered over this, but yeah, you think everything's sound, but not always. So we're going to expose around here. This one's going to be exposed as well. Let's see what we got here. Expose this one and that one. That one, that one, that one, that one. And we'll just see how we go. We'll read it as we work our way over it. That one's going to stay, that one. I'll clean this joint out as well. and subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.